What's up, baddies? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is JaiDoesIt if you're new here, and today we're going to be doing another IPSY unboxing video. So if you guys would like to see what I received this month, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any new videos, okay? Period. So as usual, I have not opened this box yet. It's still sealed, so it's new to me too, okay? Let's get into the theme for this month. The theme for this month, is creature comforts. The weather outside is getting frightful, but we've got you covered with all things delightful. Cozy up. So the theme for this month is creature comforts. The weather outside is getting frightful, but we've got you covered with all things delightful. Cozy up to this month's array of creature comforts, nourishing skincare, at-home treatments, and feel-good makeup for guaranteed beauty bliss. So let's just get into the bag. So these bags, they are screaming my name because we are sisters. We stand together. So these bags are totally screaming me. I love leopard print. Where's this cheetah print? I love both of them so much. Look at it. I love them when they're in different colors. I love the original color. It's so cute. So it's leopard print with, okay, let me do one at a time. So the glam bag is leopard print with an orange stripe in the middle. It has a regular zipper. It's really cute. Like, look at this. So the regular glam bag, you'll get 5 travel size products for $13 a month. Sometimes they'll surprise you and give you a full size product, but that's just sometimes you won't see it coming, but when you see it coming, you'll see it coming. Okay, so the first thing that we have is the Juicy Couture Honeybee candle with wild, what's that called for? And the notes of this candle are wild honey, creamy vanilla, and orange blossom. And it says that this is a soy candle, which is super good. So when you light it and the wax melts, you can actually use it as, you know, lotion on your actual skin. This smells really good. I can't wait to try that out. I wish it was bigger, but of course, since it's the glam bag, we get travel size products. Sometimes you'll be surprised with a full size product, but today wasn't one of those days. But I'm excited to try this out. It smells really, really good. Really good. I'm using this tonight. So the second item that we have is this KINSHIP Supermello Hydrating Gel Cream Moisturizer. Okay, you can't really see it, so I'll post a clip of it in one of these corners. But this is a 0.34 fluid ounce. But of course, I know that I'll like this because I love all of KINSHIP's products. So I definitely can't wait to put this one to use. So the next thing that we received is this M2U NYC Matte Liquid Lip. And this is in the shade Queens. And this is what she looks like. It's a really pretty shade of burgundy or red. It's a really pretty shade of red, like a deeper shade of red. And it says that it's a matte liquid lip. So that was the third thing we received. The fourth thing we received is this PYT Beauty eyeshadow palette. And this is in the shade Party in the Nude. Once again, I'll have a clip in the corner to show the true color of it because it's kind of washed out with all of my lights. And then the last thing that we received is the IT Cosmetics Lash Blowout Mascara. And this is a travel size. So this will be good to keep in your purse on the go. And so that was everything that we received in our regular glam bag. And now the glam bag plus is leopard print as well, with orange drawstrings, and it has the orange tag that matches the orange stripe that was on the regular glam bag. The glam bag plus, you get 5 full-size products for $28 a month, and all of the time, all of the products you received in the Glam Bag Plus will exceed the amount that you paid for it. So it's basically a win-win situation when it comes to that bag. That's the one I would recommend if anybody asks. So let's just get into the Glam Bag Plus, okay? So the first thing we have is this Purely's Pumpkin Ginger Detoxifying Charcoal Mask. And I will be using this one tonight for sure, along with the candles. So this one retails for $48. So already, you're already over the amount that you paid for this bag. Let's just get to the next product. That's all I need to say. So the next product is the setting spray from Shades by Shan. I've heard of this brand before, Shades by Shan. I feel like it was like a I don't know. Was it an eyeshadow palette? Let's just not start talking. So I'm guessing this is a hydrating setting spray since it has hyaluronic acid in it. It also has niacinamide and ginseng. Yep, your skin will feel hydrated and refreshed, period. We love hydration. I feel like I said that in the last video, but we love hydrating setting sprays around here, around these parts of town. So that setting spray retailed for $28, so 28 plus 48, we're already at $76, okay? Period. So the third thing that I received is this Reina Rebel Day Eye and Face palette. And I don't want to butcher the name of the palette. Presumida. Well, that's what it's called. I'm gonna put the name down here just in case y'all don't know what I'm talking about, okay? So it's a really pretty palette. It comes with a blush shade, a highlighter shade, and 4 eyeshadow shades. And this palette retails for $29, so let's add it up. So $76 plus $29 from this palette makes this bag so far at $105. We already hit the $100s. I feel like I'm very excited about this one because I just love brushes so much. So I have a brush set from Iconic London. This is the Caught My Eye Essential Brush Set. It comes with a brush bag. And it comes with 4 brushes. They're so cute and they feel very luxurious, like quality. Like, I just love brushes. They're super soft. I just can't wait to try these out. What? You can never have too many brushes. I say this all the time. You can never have too many brushes. So this is the 4th thing that we received. That is so exciting. So that retailed for $40. So 40 plus the 105 we already had. We are at 145. So last but not least, we have this Gloss Moderne Clean Luxury Perfume Oil. And it says that this is a Universelle scent. Universelle. Clean Luxury Perfume Oil. I feel like I can kind of smell it from the box. So this is what this one looks like. Real simple and sleek. So let's go ahead and smell this one. Oh, it's a roller ball. I'm just happy at least it's a roller ball and not the kind you have to pump out like the replica. That smells amazing. I love smell goods. I love perfumes, candles, body sprays, lotions, all of the above. I was trying to find out and see what kind of notes were in this perfume oil. I'm picking something up, but I can't put my name on it, but it smells so good. And I love perfume oils because they last. These are like the perfumes with the highest concentration in them, like higher than Eau de Toilettes and Eau de Parfums. On top comes the oils, okay? On top comes the oils. So I'm really excited about that because it will last all day. Y'all look at me. We are here to slay the girls. I wish I could find out the notes on this. But this smells super good. This is the scent of the day, ladies. Gloss Moderne Universelle Perfume Oil. Yes, the Glam Bag Plus did not disappoint. Come through, IPSY. Come through, baby. So the retail value for this perfume oil is $87 plus $145. We're at $192. So the total of this Glam Bag is $192, and you paid $28 for it. Tell me why you wouldn't get the Glam Bag Plus. Just tell me why. So this month I'm really excited. The regular glam bag. My favorite product, of course, is the Juicy Couture candle. Even though it's small, you know, it's small but mighty. It smells so good. It reminds me of the Yankee Candle? The Yankee Candle wax melts in the scent Pink Sands. Now I want to look up the notes to see if it kind of matches. But it smells super good. If you guys know what the Yankee Candle Pink Sand smells like, this is what it's giving. And from the Glam Bag Plus, my favorite item, I actually have two favorite items this time. That's how you know they did what they had to do. They did their big one. So my two favorite items from the Glam Bag Plus are the Iconic London eyeshadow brushes and the Gloss Moderne perfume oil. It smells super good. Oh, I like it. It's clean. It's clean, but it has a hint of like girly to it. Would I say feminine? It's clean, but it's feminine, but it's not too feminine, you know? But it doesn't smell masculine. I don't know if I'm making sense, Shan. It's like the perfect balance. That's what it's giving. Y'all probably like, what is she trying to say? So baddies, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys received an IPSY box for this month and what products you got so we could chat about it, okay? And until next time, baddies, bye.
See money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was counting up like last week. Tell me, where have you been? Yeah, came out of